This is a decisive punch of Bunyanul Marsus. Nara Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Now this is with love to Pathankot!
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr, we have given a strong punch to our coward enemy. Alhamdulillah. Nare Takbir! Allahu Akbar!
Shanti Purvam,